Today, I'm going to take just a moment or two and introduce everyone to the JC400 series dashboard camera system, a compact yet feature-rich dashcam that will quickly become an indispensable part of your fleet management solution. First, the basics: video event upload and GPS location tracking. The forward-facing camera on the JC400 captures crisp, clean 1080p video and provides the perfect balance between capturing all of the relevant details and data from an accident or other video event, while saving a fortune on the data that would be required for higher resolution videos. Recorded video clips show the vehicle's speed, the time, and the location, so later review is very efficient and simple. If you're using TrackSolid Pro, you can easily customize which events trigger an alert and also how long those captured video clips are, thereby further allowing you to tailor the device and the data requirements to your specific needs. Of course, even without an event-triggered video, you can always get on our TrackSolid app via the web or phone apps to check the current GPS location as well as a live video feed from any of your JC400 devices. In addition to the high-quality video and GPS location tracking, the JC400 has several other features that are worth mentioning. First is the handy little SOS button, which contacts a preset number with the click of a button. This is a fantastic accessory to have to contact dispatch or even local authorities in the event of an emergency or any other situation where phones are not readily available. Next, see these cables coming from the body of the JC400? They allow you to add peripheral accessories and even further increase the usefulness of the JC400. For example, need to track the fuel consumption on one of your fleet vehicles? Simply add the optional fuel level sensor. Or maybe you need to monitor the temperature in the back of a trailer or some other delivery vehicle. We've got a temperature sensor for that too. These are just a couple of the most common peripheral uses, and there are many more on the way. Another great feature that makes the JC400 so versatile for such a wide range of applications is the available options for the second or auxiliary camera. See, the forward-facing camera always looks out the windshield down the road, but there are several options for the second camera, depending on your use case.